Hi everybody. Today we will be learning about how to add levels to a Revit project file. Here I have a simple model with just a room with staircase. Um, in order to add levels, initially we have to set up the units. If we want the levels to be in feet or in meters, we have to make sure that the units will be in the same dimensions as we have been preferred earlier itself. So better we will be adjusting the units earlier itself. For that we will be updating the command as un. uh, Here as you can see that I want the things in feet, so I have kept my units in feet itself. Okay, and even the distance I have kept it in feet. Okay, this all these things are in proper way itself. Okay, now let's, in order to add levels, we'll go to 3D and just once see how the model is there. Yeah, this is my model when it is viewed in 3D. Let's go to architecture, and here we can see to it that when we go to in the project browser, even in east we have got those levels, but to have a proper view of the levels, it's better to go in north itself. um, yeah, here you can see it for architecture levels. Yeah, in top right we have this level. So when we once we click over here and we have these levels, and you can see it that I can change my reference either from the bottom point or from the here. For example, now it's been already defined as level for roof 1. Now I want a level for roof 2. For each of my levels I have been taken, like for each roof I have preferred for 11 feet. So in order to give the another roof level, I'll be choosing of 11 feet itself. So 13 plus 11, it would be 24. So I just drag it towards the level for 24, or else even I can okay, if it's the reference from roof 1, so I'll be choosing for 11 feet itself. Once I click over there, my roof 2 is been added. And in order to change the names, I can just even click over there and I can edit the name of the level. For right now I am it's okay for me to continue with roof 2 itself. And even the dimension for the things for roof 2 I can alter. For example, if I want my roof 2 to be at the height of not 11 but for 13 feet, then it would be like 13 plus 13, it would be 26. I can just click on the number and I can just change my number to 26. So now my level height is 26. And the main usage of these levels are whenever you want the wall height or anything or any of the components in the Revit model to be constrained to a particular level, then the levels that you have predefined will help you to make that easy.